It's fucking X Entertainment.
Yeah, me say bana ma feel I do. Oda baba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya nebra menchembe fe manu wape. Oda bana ma feel Oda wacho. Se bode manya na makoma tabeya. Me say bana ma feel Hey wacho. Se bode manya na makoma tabeya.
On this. Hey. Just a minute, nasi mani bamu soda. Sani se hunti. Sani se hunti. Ni be me yatina so many years. Even no ni she na meneniti. Ene nyame adom. Yeni mbroso de be ye wo yesu ne yedi. Afina me be jana wanako. Ana nyese be me bia keke be ma me dom. Ana de me eating. O so me from one drink. So me from one drink. So na new market. Hey.
Please, madam. I was outside and I heard some people shouting. And I said, what is happening?
At where?
At the roadside. At the roadside. So I went to the roadside, madam.
The main roadside.
The main roadside. I went to the roadside, madam, please. I found someone hit with a car. And I said, oh, what is that? And who is that? I went there. Madam, can you imagine what I saw?
You saw what?
Can you imagine what I saw? Our neighbor's daughter. Our neighbor's daughter, Efia Santua.
Efia Santua?
Yes, Efia Santua.
So where is she?
The car knocked.
Where is the girl? Where is she?
She down for the floor.
So what are you standing here for? Let's go and take her to hospital.
Close the door.
Let's go and take her to hospital. What are you saying?
Who?
What did you just tell me?
I will never watch that movie again, madam. The movie is too scary. When the car knocked the girl down, the girl stood up again and stand inside the road. And another car came, zoom, and passed through the girl. And I realized that it is a horror movie. I hate that kind of movie. I will never watch that movie again, madam. Relax. Put your hands down for God so like the way. I will never watch that movie again, madam. Because
So, it was a movie.
it was a movie. Oh, it scared me, Papa. I was outside alone and I said,
So it was a movie that you were watching.
yeah. It's a Ghana horror film, and it's a very nice film. Though,
Koshewu. Foundemu mika. Nfepi. Listen. Eti wono e currency na go tiri mu anase eye nsuo. Eye diesel and eye petrol. Huh?
relax.
Pie. Edi na me na mu ofie ha sesa. Right, me da sesa wa so makọ. Enye sanke ne medem ba o mes. Nipa fa adwene no.
Sorry, madam. If you wouldn't mind, you can join me with the bathroom.
Koshewu.
Madam.
What that's you now? Let's go. Imbremu. Deɛ me kunu kɔfa ba ya no. Deɛ me ankasa mkɔfa ba ya nso ano.
It's Falcon X Entertainment.
Yeah. Me say bana ma feel. Ado. Oda beba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Se me koda wane kumya humache. Inti ya na from a chamber feel.
Put it here. Just put it here. I just saw the bag do we see a new chan. And so long saw the bag at Beffy.
It's too heavy. Madam, I was asking, is she coming to stay here for some years?
Koshewu.
Hello.
Thank you. You can leave. You can leave.
Okay, thank you very much. If anything, I am
I'll
outside.
give you a call, yeah.
Hey, I miss
I
you.
miss you too.
You lie. But yesterday you told me that you would call me back. You didn't call me. Why?
Well, I know I'll be coming there today. That's why I didn't call you yesterday.
But your hair is cool.
Yeah.
Since, where is your husband?
I think he may be inside. Inside the bedroom. Okay. You know the reason why you are here.
Yeah.
You know that you are here for a mission. And I want you to conclude that mission nicely for me. I don't want any mistake. Would you?
You don't trust me.
Would you?
Please, madam.
Koshewu.
I will drink water.
Koshewu.
Yeah, madam.
I told you that when I needed you, I would give you.
You will call me, sorry. But please, madam, what mission is that were you talking about?
Koshewu. Come on, you too. Yes. Alan! Since who is this guy? Isn't that one? So, I believe you can do this for me. Okay, sure. I'll do it perfectly. She put my trust now.
You says. I don't want you in the
Okay, take your bag. Let me show you. Oh, sis. Let the guy come and take my bag for me. It's too heavy. Take it. Koshewu, please can you come? Yeah, from the bag.
I should take the bag.
Yeah, mention it.
So now you haven't told me how many years she's here to spend.
Why? Koshewu,
Hello.
are you my husband?
No,
You are not my husband.
no, madam. But I am
It's
just
okay. And no one crack Kelly Bibia for bagging in you.
okay. Let me know never now. You should see. Whatever mission you are here for, be wise and be smart, or else I got my eyes on you.
Koshewu!
It's Falcon X Entertainment.
Yeah. Me say bana ma feel. Ado. Oda beba na makumate. Me say minya denka na wati mase. Say me koda wanna come ya humache. Into yana prime chamber femano.
For what I dey pray. I dey pray to God that make no person on this earth come cross you. Like taking off your position. I don't know if she want to praise somebody or I don't know. But you just let us pray to God that it won't happen like that.
Lord have mercy.
Hey.
Hey,
Obede Pombede.
what are you guys doing over there?
Obede Pombede.
I'm just talking to you.
Madam called us to come in. Baby, calm down. Come, face it.
What is it? And you didn't tell me anything.
Yeah, that's why I called you.
What is saying? My head is paining me. What is it? What is it?
Baby,
You call.
are you okay? Baby,
Yes, dear.
are you okay?
I'm feeling some, so my
You're
head,
feeling what?
my head is paining me.
Let me see. See, you're not wrong with me.
What is it? You just called like in the middle of.
Baby, Mpacho, check.
Okay.
I said all the time, no rush, so back as a break. Oh.
Has someone from you from?
And so, yeah, you will yank us a see. It's in two rice house, what's not how it has.
Let me say we at least when any kind discuss what birthday before say but because you say we don't be.
I said for say surprise, ain't no man.
All right, okay. So what is it?
Koshiegu. Koshiegu. Please call me our guest. Call me my junior sister.
Your guest.
Yeah.
Guest.
Or our guest. So.
In this house?
Yeah. My sister is here.
Aye. As well as it.
It is coming because human being is coming.
No, what dear kid.
Good evening.
Baby, how is it? Thank you. Well, sweetheart, who did in here? So what's your secret? Someone who are so you are. So baby, you don't know that that's what you need. One among shedding in the south. So she's coming to stay with us here. For what? I'm talking to my husband, not you. Baby, it's the person of that's not. I say, oh, no, you lonely with you see. Baby. 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 By the way, I know dear, I am in the Tamason. They see me. About you, only the nights in the fear. The way I'm treating me, that treatment now know some of them. Because you're junior sister. Respect her, me gain it from you guys. The same respect must go to her. I think I'm talking to a human being. Somebody in the panel, Kasa. And no one just want me to somebody in the panel, Kasa.
Yes, madam.
Booty, show.
If I'm Khadija.
Yeah, Khadija.
Khadija.
Okay, with the giant. Chris, what did you bite and eat left? I didn't know I would do Jerry. Oh, yes, and
You are welcome.
maybe yes, and
Akusia, Kushu.
or China shot. Problem.
Okay, my workers and Musi sit together. It's an intro now in my own. A friend that could be a woman of Fiasia. On the one I bet now, and that may say repeat. He said repeat, you guys should read my lip. Say treatment now with the mommy and no one am fine. I'm talking to you guys. Jeanette, I'm talking to you. Me said make her then.
What's the treatment?
Me said make her then.
29.
Make her then. Ah. Yeah, are you talking to me? Yeah. And are you saying yeah to me?
Madam, you said we should give her
Respect.
and you said okay.
Oh no, like I said, we said okay, just a one breme.
We okay, madam.
We said we just a one breme.
We okay.
Huh?
Madam, are you okay?
What's that you matter?
Mom, ask me, madam.
Oh!
It's like you are. Sis, you're not like this.
Move sorry, move here. Come on! Stop. Listen.
Sis, it's right now. What's now?
Let me go and talk to my husband. I can see that he is not happy with my decision.
Okay.
No, don't follow me with this. I mean, your noise. It's late. I don't want that. Okay.
Maybe.
Like how come? Then we got you know it's an ambulance. I don't get you. Like, is it like you don't respect me? What do you mean I did here and send out the catch me? Like how? And two, I'm not really rich and my baby. Who taught you that? Or who does that? Do you respect me?
I respect you, baby.
Do you know like I'm the man of the house?
Yeah.
And I want to take a decision without my like bomb. Like seriously?
Baby, no, Granny said, oh, friend, Miss Arno, as I am impromptu. And I love you, who they are.
Stop that crocodile tears. You are pissing me off. You're getting me angry. That be too bad. So I can to call me on phone from me. Say, honey, this is the situation. We're from impromptu, so you know myself to come. I want them to say, me be a maker. What's in your job? Do I notice how from as after this filthy? I mean like this get man and this make say only one man because Sasa was surprising me. Are you serious? Do you mean it? Hey, don't come closer, woman. I dare some person. I don't want to shout. I don't want to shout.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Sorry for your own self.
It will never happen again.
Just like my mom smell funny inch, so whatever. You see, like you don't pet, you don't respect again. You don't respect, right? Me na me bedouin na me heavy here. I say no. What you do there, but I catch him me say, or never be like seriously, not even a visit. Hey.
Baby, that's what I'm saying. I'm
See.
sorry.
Listen to me carefully. Say what you take decision on your own.
No.
Listen. Me say no, you say no, wolf horns, like no, you've gotten horns, right now, like no, you can provide, you can be doing the duties like no, now that I'm doing, right? So listen to me. So what we decided, say fine. Obimbra Mr. was said, yeah, you're providing everything here.
Baby.
Hey.
Please.
Listen, our baby, don't baby me. Don't baby me. Don't.
Oh, she's my sister.
From now onwards, you are providing the breakfast, the supper, the lunch, or whatever. Baby.
Why am I going to get that kind of food?
So meaning you don't respect, you don't pursue, I'm punishing you. Come on, give me you.
Baby, no. Baby, I said I'm sorry, lah.
Hey, watch you.